However, a good news for the people of India and Pakistan that the ceasefire has taken place. That means there is no war now. The cessation of war, the end of war between India and Pakistan. Those two nations, virtually they were one nation, presently divided for 70 years. So, however, India is a secular country. When fighting against Pakistan, it has never destroyed their shrines, their religious places. And India waged war against Pakistan because of the massacre in Pahalgam. The tourists who visited Kashmir, Kashmir is the heaven on earth. So those tourists who visited Pahalgam, the scenic beauty of nature, were in the lap of nature. By that time, the terrorists killed them brutally. It is, it is the most uh, unfortunate incident, the most brutal one in the history of India. So India wanted to take revenge. It has been avenged by India. And by surgical strike, by air strike, all the places of the uh, Saitans, the Satans, the uh, people who created massacre, the terrorists, they were devastated by Indian army. Only the operation was for 25 minutes and all the places of the terrorists were destroyed to the minimum possible remnants. So, however, it took the color of a war, it took the shape of the war between Pakistan and India. India didn't attack Pakistan. India only attacked the places of the terrorists where they are trained and fed, nourished by Pakistan. Pakistan is a production center of tourists of different sects, and they are the killers of humanity. That was duly attacked by India and smashed all the places of the terrorists. However, with the negotiation of the President Trump of America, United States of America, and G7 countries, it was decided as the Pakistan came to a very meek position for negotiation, they were all pleased and there was a decision, unanimous resolution, decision for cessation of war, the ceasefire. Now, however, today is a very holy day that it has been decided to stop the war, and heavy financial disruptions, many financial losses are made by a war. If a nation goes for war, he is disrupted, his finance collapses, financial condition becomes wretched, especially the country like Pakistan who is begging door to door for money. So, however, today is a very nice day that we are escaped with the catastrophe of war is over, and now it is the cessation of war. Thank you. Shyama Ramchandra ki jai.